After a night of feverish fantasies, the perfectly permed heiress, Ursula Stanhope, awoke to the melodious music of the Bakubu bird life and found herself venturing forth in search of that defender of the innocent, protector of the weak, and all-around good guy, George of the Jungle. But that's not who she saw first.
Get away! Get away! Get away!
Hello? Feeling better, fella?
Okay, it's that dream, then. I'm still having that psycho dream. Hello?
Oh, no, don't worry. Ape friend. Ape, make your breakfast.
What does it want? What does it want?
It wants its physician's desk reference, if you don't mind. Unless you'd rather die of dengue fever, of course.
That is very funny. I thought I heard the monkey talk. But that is totally understandable, right? I mean, why wouldn't an ape read textbooks, and why wouldn't I find myself in a treehouse with room service and a Tarzan wannabe wearing a, what do you call that thing?
Butt flap.
Right.
Oh.